Welcome to the video. War, war, war in a Babylon. What does that mean? So all the war situations in the world, what is the root cause? The root cause of violence, the killing, the aggression is the diet. The unnatural diet is, you need to understand nutrition, food knowledge. So you have the yogi, zero pranic, negative pranic, positive pranic food classes. So when you eat certain foods, these foods can cause in the body aggression. For example, there is no doubt if you eat dead animals, dead carcass, that these gonna cause aggression. Not with everyone, but everyone will have a part of this aggression in the body. One person more than another, that's depending on the quantity we eat and on the absorption, which is different from person to person. So every killing of animals, the animal doesn't want to be killed, and the animal is scary and is fighting for its life when people kill animals. And that situation that goes over with the dead meat into the body when people eat these dead carcasses. We have seen in the past that some countries in the world are high meat diet eating people. So when you go, for example, to Germany, you have sausage, you have goulash, you have schnitzel. So it's a meat-based diet. There is much meat in these countries. But how violent were these people? Remember in the past? So even when people eat tomatoes which are zero pranic, it can cause aggression. So it depends from person to person how the absorption inside works. So the yogis don't recommend tomatoes, and the yogis are very calm. Yogis will never cause war. Rasta people will not cause war because ital is vital. They still cook, but they don't recommend salt, they don't recommend alcohol, they are vegetarian. In the human body, even with the species-specific human diet, the fruit, everything goes about the absorption. For example, I fasted 21 days, 22 days, 16 days, 3 times I fasted, did a long fasting. I did juice fasting, like 2 weeks. I did intermittent fasting for 10 years. But how is my absorption going? I still eat huge quantities of fruit in my 2 meals because I have a bad absorption. And that's all about the body damage that we created by unnatural cooked diet in the past and by toxic supplements and whatever in the sports and vitamin supplements that I took and whatever. So it's all about that. And it takes more than 10 years for sure to solve that problem, because every time we take alcohol, every time we take cooked food, the mucus ring around the stomach gets thinner. The mucus ring only restores or gets thicker when we eat fruit, because fruit has a water content and mucus is about 96% water. So you can imagine that cooked food and alcohol, which is actually food, is not a drink, gonna be too low in water with a maximum of 40% to restore a mucus ring that has 96% of water. And it's all about how the stomach and intestines, colon is absorbing. I am suffering from gas problems many years, and doctors could never found a solution. On the stomach they found several times 100 ulcers. So that takes time, and nobody in the medical world talks about the mucus ring, which is getting thinner and that the acids finally go through after a time, but that needs time to restore. Finally, I will eat less when the body is in a better optimal working. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Ciao, Rastafari.